Did you know that most people can fall asleep within 7 minutes? Unless the sex is bad. They may not fall asleep, they might just leave. So, the more you know. Do, 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 do. That was highly inappropriate. My God. What up, Smile Squad? It's your girl, Amber Smiles Jones. Welcome to my bedroom where nothing happens. So, today we've got part 2 of my visit to Amber Cove, Dominican Republic on our Carnival cruise adventures. Technically, this is episode 5.1. I don't know. It's part 2 of episode 5, so I guess that still counts. We had a lot of fun. You're gonna go ahead and see us dancing on the Lido deck. We had like a random dance party. Shout out to K Fire. You'll see who I'm talking about in a moment. Subscribe, click the thumbs up button, share my videos with your friends and your family, because believe you me, the channel is growing, but extremely slowly. Yo, if you guys want more content, guess what I need? Views, likes, and new subscriptions. That's the only way that YouTube will put me inside their algorithm, and God willing, I'll be able to make content here and on my podcast full time. I won't need a day job. That would be great, but I can't do it without you. So do this and subscribe. All right, let's get on the boat and have a dance party. Ain't no sunshine, but she's gone, y'all.
We had them act out. Wow. DJ Clarks, what was the movie?
Ghostbusters! Listen, Linda, okay? It is very possible that I got drunk on accident. You can't even see my black ass. It's so dark out here, it's crazy. Oh yeah, that's a drunk laugh, yeah, for sure. Suck on those titties. And this was the moment I realized I was no longer drunk and alone. Oh! Somebody else saw me drunk. It happens, man. When you're on the cruise, you just be like, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Zoom, zoom, my supernova girl. Yo, if you know that, you know you like Disney, bitch. Get out of here. Ow. She's a celebrity of the cruise.
Of the 3 raindrops that are going to hit you tonight.
3 or 4.
So, here's your one of 2 options. Number 1, we let the rain fall. And we dance in the rain.
Yes! Yes!
It's literally, I can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 raindrops per person. Any more, you're going to have to pay for them, okay? Or we can reschedule the party for tomorrow. Right. Well, if you're saying no, then your behind better be on this dance floor.
There we go. There we go.
Listen, okay, honestly, I'm not going to make someone come out there and I don't want to. So, it is just now gone. Oh no, my watch is dead because I done did too many steps today. I'm double tap just this watch.
10:48.
She currently breathing. You know what that happens when your Apple Watch is breathing? Alright, it's 11, no, it's 10. I'm bad at math. It's 10:46. Lucky, my baby. Right. It's 10:46.
Yeah, lucky!
This party can last like 10 minutes. If y'all can do 10 minutes in the rain, I will not make you sweat. I will not. You have got 10 seconds to join me on the dance floor. Come on, put it on. Come on, y'all.
Come on, y'all.
What I need you to do is I need everyone that's on the Lido deck to just come out. We're going to do 5 minutes of deck party, okay? Stop. It's almost obsolete. Y'all, come on. Let's go. Everybody say, come on.
Come on.
Say, come on.
Come on.
Y'all say, come on.
Come on.
Physically there. This is not a television. I can literally see y'all looking at me like I'm a crazy human. Do y'all want to have some money?
Yeah!
Listen, anyone that's on the dance floor right now, I'm going to give some free money to. You want some money? You better come to the dance floor. Free money. There's literally a singular raindrop every 3 seconds.
Look at all these people. That's great.
I want everyone to put their left hand straight up in the air.
Yes.
If you want some free money, y'all better come here.
Money!
I see you. Come here. It's just water. God made dirt and dirt don't hurt, so come here.
Yeah.
Put your left arm up, put it out in front of you and say, 1 cent. You better grab that penny, say 1 cent. You better put that right arm up, put it out in front of you and say 5 cents. Now, all those, God, it's coming down now. This is unfortunate. You know what I'm saying?
We got it. We got
You
it.
guys have really,
Yes.
y'all are gonna pull them arms and you gonna say dollar. People say dollar. We gonna make some money. The rain is going inside out. The 10 people that are out here, we gonna make this club poppin'. Come on, listen, we don't need a fool. We are here to party. Let's go. Everybody, come on in. Places in the world, but what I want you to do. You ready? Hands up, hands down, hands up, hands down, hands down. What do y'all do? Hands up, hands down, hands up, hands down. But we gon' make it rain. Everybody get ready. We gon' I want everyone to go and grab somebody. You got 10 seconds. Go and grab somebody. You got 10. Now go and get somebody 8. Go and get them 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 3 and a half. Go get them. Is everybody next to the DJ? Got it. Now I want you guys to flex 4 times real big. Now flex once, pow. Now I want you to flex again twice, pow. Flex again 3 times, wow. Flex 4 times, say wow.
Yeah.
I want you to take that big old booty Judy. And just gonna back it up 2 times. You're gonna back it up.
Back it up.
And then everybody. You turn to your left and slide to the right. do with the Belizeans. He is as Caribbean as they come. He's going to break it down the nightclub all night long. But there is only one song that we can play to end a mega deck party. You have danced to it once, you have danced to it twice, you have danced to it thrice. But it's the only way I know how to close out a deck party. And if you are ready to keep this party going, say yeah.
Oh, are we really walking down 13,000 flights of stairs?
We can't take the elevator?
Have I not been drinking? Am I sober enough for this?
Hell no. Got heels on too.
Okay, shit.
Damn, bro.
Holy shit.
Hell no. I got heels on and shit. Down.
I guess we're going to the nightclub. Even though I'm tired as fuck. Oh shit! Alright! Feel alright! Feel alright! 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 So we're going to a nightclub just for a second. I'm tired of shit. So much energy. Where did she get that shit from?
I don't know. She wide open.
Oh my god. Who else needs water? Shit. Yo, I am mad thirsty right now. I never loved anybody more. God damn it. You are the shit. Oh yeah. Alright, going to the nightclub. I'm gonna celebrate my ass in this chair. Oh, girl. I need somebody to rub my motherfucking feet. Okay. Yo, the energy is crazy. Crazy. You know what I'm saying? Oh, you already know what time it is. It's time to go ahead, take a look at your featured comments from one of my past videos. And this week we're gonna do asking people random questions on Omegle Part 2. Part dos. I don't know how to say part in Spanish, so. First comment is coming from Latifah. What's up, girl? Latifah says, how come no one knows where Usher was at 7 o'clock? That's an easy one, right? Everybody knows where Usher was at 7 o'clock. On a dot. In his drop top. Cruising the street. What the f? Next comment's coming from Mariana. Hey, boo. What's going on, Brazil? She was actually one of the people that we chatted with in the video. Mariana says, it's the Brussels sprouts for me. And then she did a little eggplant emoji. You have to watch the video. We had a nice conversation. I feel like you get it. Last comment is coming from Shorty Money. What's poppin', boo? Shorty Money says, watching this video right now, my son is next to me asleep and you said something loud and it scared him. He woke up crying. I gave him his bottle and calmed him down to fall back asleep. Love the videos. Keep it up. Just don't scare my kid anymore. I'm kidding. It was my fault. Yo, in about 3 seconds, I'm gonna make a really super loud noise. So you might want to go ahead and boo! I warned you. I warned you. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Do me a favor, click the thumbs up button and make sure you subscribe. Next week, we're gonna have ourselves an unboxing or maybe a reveal perhaps, because I already know what these things are. I'm just sharing it with you. And definitely gonna be having ourselves an I'll try that very soon, because I did buy some fun things from Amber Cove, Dominican Republic. And a lot of it is right here on this shelf, and some of the booze is up there. So the fun is not over. And if you haven't already, do me a favor, click the thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe, because I have more videos coming. And I'm a little biased, but I feel like my content is fun. I feel like it's fun. I feel like it's random. I feel like it's a good time. So do me a favor and share my content with as many people as you can. Guys, I am ready for this channel to grow. We've been a small channel for too long. And I can't grow without you. So share this video, tell your family and friends to subscribe and turn on their post notifications and click that thumbs up button. Let's add more beautiful human beings to the Smile Squad. Oh, and don't forget to check out my podcast, the Professionally Silly Podcast. Come chill with your Audible boo thing on the Professionally Silly Podcast. And guess what? The podcast is available everywhere that podcasts can be found. And in other news, my father and I have written another book, Cows and the Buffalo. It's an awesome book that pretty much teaches kids that choices have consequences. And let's be honest with you, it feels like every new generation doesn't get that until it's too late. If you're interested and you want to get yourself a book, I'm going to have the link to our nonprofit down below. From Broke to Breakthrough, that is where you can get your copy. All right, I guess I'll see you guys in the next one.
Is it supposed to do that? Is it doing something? Okay. This week we're going to do asking people. What is it? And if you haven't, first question. Purchasing. If you're interested in purchasing the new book, if you're interested in purchasing, Jesus. If you're interested in purchasing. I'm not even gonna say that. It's too hard. If you, on the professional. Come chill with your Audible boo thing. Was that? I'll edit that part out. Mariana says, it's the Brussels spout. No. Listen, I hope that... And some of the... Ugh. Get the fuck out of here.
Vitamin C and chapstick.